Hi there, welcome my dear students. In this lecture, I'm gonna teach you how you can create this easy poster design, the character design using Photoshop. So I'm gonna use text, some background shape, these tags and the image. So I'm gonna use this image and where from I pick up this one, let me show you. So I have picked up this from the Pinterest. You can come on to the Pinterest, you can sign up and you can click on these three dots and you can download the image. I will attach the link in the description. So if you want to download that, you can download and use the same one, or you can choose whatever the character you like. I'm not a cricketer fan. This is just a Photoshop thing. So I'm just picking up a random cricketer or a footballer. It's up to you, whatever you like. You can pick up that and you can start making up your poster onto that. So let's get back onto the Photoshop and let's start making our poster. So I will click on file and after that I have to click on new, and from here art and illustration, and this is going to be a poster. I'm going with the default settings and I will click on create. So once you are here, what you have to do, you need to put a text first of all. So your text, I'm gonna say that is going to be 70. Right now you can't see the text, so I'm gonna just give up any random color for now. So I'm gonna say 70, and after that I need to increase the size of this one. So I will increase the font size. Let me make this bigger. Let me make this a little bit more bigger. Okay, this looks good. So let me adjust that. Okay, it looks good here. So I'm using the Montserrat and the bold. So it's up to you, whatever the font you like, you can use that. Now the next thing that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pick up my pen tool and I'm gonna create a shape here. So let me do that. And after that, I will click here, here, and here. Here you go. And I'm gonna change my shape color as well. And before making your shape, make sure you're on the shape. By default it's on the path. Make sure you change the shape, change this to shape, and you can pick up any color whatever you want. Right now I'm picking up any random color for now, and after that all of these options needs to be same and my shape is here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drag this a little down. So text needs to be up, and right now I can't see my shape because the color is same. So let me change my shape color from here. So here you go, my shape color has been changed, and let me adjust that. Here you go. Now the next thing that I have to do, I'm gonna group these two, and I'm gonna do by pressing Control and G to put this in a group, and I'm gonna say this is going to be 70. And after that I need one more thing. I need a image that I'm gonna put here. So you can click on file, open, and bring up your image. So what you have to do, you need to go on select, and let's select our subject, like our this young man. And once you do that, what you have to do before making before masking this layer mask, and what I have to do, I need to do some fixes here. So I will pick up my quick selection tool. I will reduce my brush size, and I will zoom in a little bit more here so I can get rid of this little bit more. So by holding Alt and the key, can you see I can remove this? So it's pretty much done. So if you want more cleaner, you can do one more click. Okay, that's perfectly fine. Now let's come up here and let's go on to the this. I need to select this selection as well. Okay, this is perfectly fine. Now the rest of the thing is this helmet. We need to get rid of this helmet as well. So I'm gonna increase my quick selection tool size. So I'm gonna hold Alt key and minus. So I'm gonna unselect this. So here you go. Almost we are done. Let me zoom in. This one I need to reduce the brush size, and let me unselect this as well. So this is perfect now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on this, create a layer mask. Here you go. And before moving this to on our main poster, I will right click on it, and I'm gonna convert this into a smart object. So I'm gonna use move tool and I'm gonna move this to here. So right now it's looking very small, tiny. Let me increase the size by doing Control T. I'm gonna do the transform, and without holding the shift, I'm just increasing the size of this. Man, let me do that a little bit more. Here you go. I will hit enter. So can you see it's here? Okay, now let's rename this, and I'm gonna say this is going to be a model, and after that I'm gonna open up this, and I would like to change my shape color. So I'm gonna pick up something like that from here. This is too much dark. Let me pick up something else. Okay, this is looking much better. So I will click on here, and I need to move my shape a little higher. Can you see this white one has been gone? Now I need to change my this text color as well. So I'm gonna say my this text color is going to be white, and here you go. Now the next thing is I need to pick up my brush tool from here. I'm gonna pick up my brush tool, and from here make sure you do the settings from here. So when you're coming up here, you can go into the generals and you can select soft round. And after that, what you have to do, you need to reduce this by holding that to like that. So we are gonna put some shadows, and size needs to be 900, and it's up to you whatever the size you want. So I will come up here, I will zoom, and before making shadows, what I'm gonna do, I will create a layer here. I'm gonna create a new layer, and now I'm gonna put some shadows here. If you want that darker, you can press 2 times, and let me give the shadows here as well. So here, can you see we have the shadows now? So let me do Control C. Those was like too many shadows. So here you go. Okay, this looks good. Or if you want a little darker, you can press one more time. Here you go. So we have the shadows here. Now, the next thing that we need to do is we need to put our text on this. Uh, Now, the next thing that we need to do is we need to put our text. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create a new layer, and on this layer, I'm gonna put my text. So I'm gonna say whatever this character name is, I'm gonna say the character name. Let me check. On the image, it's saying David Warner. Let me copy that from here. David Warner. So I will come back here, and I'm gonna, oops, I'm sorry. So I'm gonna, and that is going to be David Warner. So I'm gonna change the color of this. So this is going to be this, and I will pick up this, and I'm gonna adjust that here. So let me quickly do that. Hit enter, select, and this is going to be into the center, and let me move up that here. Now, what I'm gonna do, I need this to be a little bit more bold. I'm gonna say extra bold, you can say, or there is, yeah, let's go with the extra bold, and here you go. If you want to increase, if you would like to increase the font size, you can do that too. So it's 72. I'm gonna increase this a little bit bigger, 90. It's looking much better now. And there is one more thing that I need to do. I need to I need to reduce the gap between them. Okay, let me reduce a little bit more gap. Here you go, our poster is ready, and you can make similar to this one, and whatever you like whatever your favorite cricketer, footballer, or whoever the athlete is, you can go and you can start making the poster similar to this one. So if you like my video, kindly please do subscribe and hit the bell icon, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.